What's up, guys? Jason here from Nudes01, and I just got done with all the Yankee games on over but the Yankee games on in my living room. And the Yankees down 7-1, fifth inning. Game over, right? Well, actually in the fourth inning, Martin homers to make it 7-2. Fifth inning, bases loaded, Cano hits a grand slam. And then in the seventh inning, Martin up with the bases loaded, Yankees down 7-6, grand slam, Yankees up 10-7. Can never count the Yankees out. Yankees are my favorite team, so. But to come back 2 grand slams in one game. Oh, the Yankees hit the baseball like 5 times, and Jeter grounded out twice and whatever. But Yankees up 10-7. Hope they win this thing. We made a video about Cano's grand slam. We weren't able to do Martin's because we didn't have anything for it. So, please comment, please subscribe and rate. So, see you guys. On to Yankees.